Hey everyone, so it's the 25th of September and it is time for the Christmas collab. Every month we've been given a different prompt and we have made crafts to go along with that prompt. Please check out all the other crafters in the list down below and see what they have made this month. So this month the prompt was Christmas crackers, I believe, and I have made these mini crackers. I will link the video tutorial that I used in the link down below, but guys, these were they were really super easy to make. I made my own box to go around it and I really wanted to use the acetate. Thought it was kind of cute. I've still yet to decorate the box. I don't know whether to just leave it plain like this or to also add maybe a little tag on it somewhere like this, maybe going diagonally across it or something. I'm not too sure, guys, but yeah, so this is my project. I wanted to show you the actual mechanics of it, so I'll move this one over here and then I will show you the bits and pieces. So the cracker is super easy. It's made using a envelope punch board. Basically, you use a piece of paper. Now, you can use, I've seen tutorials using a 6x6 piece of paper, which is really handy for using up your 6x6 paper pads. I used a measurement of 6.5 inches by 4.5 inches. On the 6.5 inch side, you make your scores to make the part where the cracker bends, and then you rotate your paper to score at 1, 2, 3 and 4 inches, and that gives you your shape. So this has like a square shaped cracker, and then you use your envelope punch board at 1.5 inches. Make your punches on your envelope punch board all the way along, and then you have this shape, and then you're able to put some sticky tape on this 1/2 inch on the end. I've actually made a mistake there, guys, and I've punched all the way through, but then you sellotape up your box. And then once you've done that, you then have your Christmas cracker shape. So then you can use anything you want, some twine or I've used some tulle and some beads there to do mine. I haven't actually secured them properly because I haven't filled them yet. But yeah, you could use some pom-pom trim, anything you like to secure your crackers. And then to make a box to fit these crackers, I started off with a piece of paper that was, well, paper and acetate, that was 8.5 by 4.5 inches. And then what I've done is I've scored a 1 inch all around the edges. So I put my paper on my scoreboard and I scored 1 inch, then I turned it, and then I scored 1 inch, and then I turned it and scored 1 inch, and turned it and then scored 1 inch. And then what I did was and then cut some little tabs on it. As you can see, I've already put some red line sticky tape, and I'm just gonna stick those edges together, and then that will make the lid of my box. And then I did this exact same to make the bottom, but just in the colored card or the pattern card. And yeah, that made my box. So I think this is really cute. I think you can put like lots of different little bits in there, even if it's like crafty little bits. You could put some little chocolates in there. You could put a little lip balm in there, and then the lid goes on like this. Ooh. And then you have that, and then you have your little box there. So yeah, that is my little project, my little Christmas cracker. I did see some videos where you could make them larger if you wanted. And I even figured out a way of just enlarging the measurements a little to make bigger boxes so that it could fit obviously something like this, like a little Nuvo drops or something. So yeah, excuse the hands, they're gluey. I've been crafting. So yeah, that's my little project. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscription button so that you can be notified of my upcoming videos, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.